Night.
What happens if we don't get back before midnight?
Duper made it back at 12:02.
I did it, though. I took a way better high school photo.
Root canal, huh? Man, this dentist is not doing a good job. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. My life isn't very fulfilling.
Every Saturday night at midnight, Adult Swim is building you a better cartoon show.
All right!
We call it Toonami.
Good.
Toonami, every Saturday night. Don't sleep on it.
She's not Cat Medina delivering pizza in her 2003 hatchback. She's Cat Medina, bringer of sustenance, provider of all things greasy and caloric.
Give a gift that means a lot without spending a lot. Shop early and save. Only at Kay.
If you want to be a part of all the NFL action, no one gets you in the game like Fanduel. This Thursday night when the Falcons take on the Panthers, Fanduel is giving all customers a no-sweat same-game parlay. Just place a same-game parlay on Thursday night's game, and if you don't win, you'll get it back in free bets. Make every moment more with Fanduel, America's #1 sportsbook.
Spicy buns, spicy sauce, spicy seasoning, spicy jalapenos, ooh, spicy fries. Boy, Arby's getting loose with the spice on the new Diablo sandwiches and fries. Arby's, we have the meats.
Time to steal Christmas.
These bad men, they're all on my naughty list. Try just do me a favor. Close your eyes and sing Jingle Bells. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, how fun it is to wander on horse open sleigh. Hey! You taking a nap?
Daddy's exhausted. Violent Night. Rated R.
Rated everyone 10 and up.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me, don't stop me. Stop me now. Don't wanna stop at all.
Domino's online carryout deal includes all your favorites for just $7.99 each. So let's play a word association game. Dips and twists,
$7.99.
8-piece wings,
$7.99.
large one-topping pizzas.
$7.99.
The only place to get this deal.
Domino's.
Tonight will be madness. Welcome to Hawthorne.
This is insane.
You shouldn't be here.
This is real, isn't it?
What the hell is going on? Something special.
I love you all. We're gonna die tonight. Come on, we can't miss this.
Who's hungry?
The Menu. In theaters November 18. Rated R.
I'll remember that chapter of my life forever. We laughed. We cried. We protected that Progressive Home and Auto bundle day and night. We left our blood, sweat, and tears on that yard. Well, Jamie did anyway.
But all you got was ham? And all you got was turkey?
With gravy.
That's an all-you-can-eat holiday buffet. A smorgasbord of all you want, all you need. Did I sit at the wrong table?
Monster Jam action gets real with the new Megalodon Storm RC. Attack any terrain, dirt, grass, snow. This shark dominates land and water. The new Monster Jam Megalodon Storm RC. Remote batteries not included.
Jeez.
Ironic. Edelman's struggling with reception.
Two things I hate dropping. Balls and calls.
Well, you need a better network. And Verizon's new Welcome Unlimited plan for just $30 a line.
Verizon for $30?
Yeah, it's their best unlimited price ever.
I'm switching now.
And getting the network you want for $30?
Touchdown! Touchdown! Everyone can get Verizon for just $30 a line. And now's the time to switch, because you'll get up to $960. Only on the network America relies on. Verizon.
Sprite Zero Sugar. Wakanda?
Can you live with knowing you never tasted McRib sauce? You have until November 20th to decide during the McRib Farewell Tour. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Keep your eyes peeled for your younger self. She'll lead us right to the guy.
Oh.